Check it out, guys. Food Line has targets. $1 each. Pew pew. Ew. Fruitcake is all over the camera. Bar.
Are you serious?
That's it, bro. Yeah. 1,049 feet per second.
It's like breaking a stick.
I can hear the ear
I've heard deer step harder than that.
than that. Oh, the impact is louder than that.
You said the same thing I did. I was over here whispering, what the fuck? And you just straight up said it.
I've heard deer step on a stick harder than that.
Get your
I've heard.
definition shot. Make sure it
I
wasn't
can't
full.
right now. If I do, it's well. Just prove it right. I go fast.
Don't worry, this video is not going to YouTube, so. You want a little alone time?
It's optional. Son of a bitch. That's fucking awesome.
What are these, 150 grain? 220 grain, 308.
Sound like fucking subsonic 22.
Hell, damn bird up there chirping above you is louder than that thing is. Nope. Nope,
Really?
didn't scare the bird away.
Really?
No. That's badass, ain't it?
550 pounds per square inch.
I can't shoot that again because they're going to shoot something you don't want to see.
Pew pew. 12 gauge.